The PMD Personal Microderm Pro is an outstanding skincare tool that brings professional-level exfoliation and skin rejuvenation into the comfort of your own home. From the first few uses, it becomes clear that this device is designed with both effectiveness and convenience in mind. Its advanced spinning disc technology works efficiently to remove dead skin cells, revealing fresher, smoother, and more radiant skin underneath. The vacuum suction feature not only enhances the exfoliation process but also helps stimulate circulation, leaving the complexion looking healthier and more refreshed after each treatment. One of the most impressive aspects of the PMD Personal Microderm Pro is its versatility. With multiple exfoliation discs and adjustable intensity levels, it can be tailored to suit different skin types and skincare goals. Whether you are looking to improve uneven texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines, minimize the look of pores, or simply maintain a brighter complexion, the device offers a customizable experience that feels both luxurious and effective. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver across different areas of the face and body. Consistent use can lead to noticeable improvements in skin smoothness, softness, and overall appearance. Many users find that their favorite serums, moisturizers, and other skincare products absorb more effectively after treatments, maximizing the benefits of their skincare routine. The device feels sturdy, high quality, and built to last, providing excellent value compared to the ongoing expense of professional microdermabrasion appointments. Another major advantage is the confidence that comes from seeing visible results over time. Skin often appears brighter, more even-toned, and revitalized, creating a healthy glow that enhances natural beauty. The treatment process itself is straightforward, making it easy for beginners to learn while still offering the performance that experienced skincare enthusiasts expect. Overall, the PMD Personal Microderm Pro stands out as a premium beauty device that combines innovation, ease of use, and impressive results. It is an excellent investment for anyone seeking smoother, clearer, and more youthful-looking skin without frequent trips to a spa or clinic. Its combination of professional quality performance, customizable settings, and long-term skincare benefits makes it a highly satisfying addition to any beauty routine.